It's happening! Vidu AI just dropped a mind-blowing upgrade. Vidu quickly turns your text prompts into amazing video scenes, complete with motion and visuals. Let me introduce you to Vidu Q1, reference to video.
Ever wondered what the future looks like? Or are we already living in it? For centuries, what did it truly take to bring a story to life? From scripts and storyboards to casting and sets, every step requires time and effort to shape a great story. Since artificial intelligence unlocked text-to-image, and later image to video, every story still felt fragmented for lack of consistency. And this is when reference to video steps in, turning multiple uploads into one scene. Now, let the story ignite. We are more than a tool, but your trusted creative ally. Q1 reference to video. Redefine storytelling.
So in this video, I'll show you how Vidu reference works. Vidu Q1 creates videos just like building with Lego. Casting photos act as performers, scene images set the stage, and object images serve as props. Upload them all, enter a prompt. A video scene is generated instantly. Everything clicks into place. Vidu allows you to upload up to 7 different items, like characters, props, or backgrounds. Each one can be used separately and switched around. If you think of a new idea while writing, just change one of the items. You can update any part without having to rewrite your whole scene. Once you define a character, Vidu remembers it. No matter how many scenes or angles you generate, your character's face, style, and detail stay consistent throughout. Perfect for episodic content. Just upload a photo and a scene you want, and Vidu will take you there. Whether it's a game world, your favorite TV show, outer space, or ancient history, you can explore different times and places and enjoy your adventure. You don't need a studio or camera anymore. Use any face or style you like. Create stunning promos by uploading a model photo, product image, and scene ideas. Whether you want a luxury, retro, or futuristic look, your campaign can be anything you imagine. That's it. Follow the link in the description to start using Vidu. Please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's your little way of supporting me. If you have any AI tool you would like me to create a video about, kindly let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.